Okay, so this video is going to be kind of all over the place and a little bit weird because, I don't know, I'm just kind of all over the place and a little bit weird. But I needed to film my intro, and so I did that really quickly, but I felt like you guys couldn't really see like the full Bondi look. This is second day that I've had my tan, and I don't tan my face. I did it in the video a little bit, but it's when I take off my makeup, I'm super, super pale. This is what it looks like. I hope it's picking up because I wasn't sure if you guys could see the full potential of this. Do I look tan? I don't know, but yeah. So this is it. And then these are what my legs look like. Can we not zoom in on the toes? But yeah, I feel like I'm much more tan and bronzy. Because this is a first for me, and if it's a first for you, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking because, you know, I hear about people having like the splotchiness, or like it just doesn't, like it goes on streaky, and I've had no problems with this product, and I truly do love it. You guys can really see it here. See how my face is pale? I need a darker foundation. So yeah, you guys can see what we're working with, and it will last about a week, or you can just, like, as it fades, you can just re-exfoliate, take off the old, and then put a new one, put a new layer. That way you're not doing 2 layers, and then you just kind of build it up. They do have other products, like a lotion that you apply, which I do want to try, and I think it gradually like keeps the tan darker, and it makes you darker. I don't know. I just love being tan. I feel better being tan. I just wanted to show you guys my tanning routine. It's kind of all over the place, kind of random, but that's how I do it here. If you guys have any tips for me, because it is my first time, let me know down below. There's other brands that you guys are like holy grail on, let me know down below. But yeah, that is it. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower, so excuse the appearance. We are going to self-tan, and I just want to take you through the entire process with me. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'm a July 1st baby, Cancer baby. I just want to be tan for my birthday. I want to feel good. I have been using the Bondi Sands, the Aero. To be quite honest, this is my fifth time doing this. I've never self-tanned before. I've always gone to somebody who spray tans me. And with, you know, quarantine and COVID and everything, all that fun stuff, I had to try self-tanning. And honestly, I've been absolutely loving it. So I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of my tips and tricks and what I've learned. Definitely make sure that you shave and exfoliate. There's some people who shave after, like the next day when they rinse off. You can totally do that. I do definitely recommend that you exfoliate prior to doing the self-tan, obviously. That way you can get all the dead skin, and then your skin feels nice and smooth, and then the tan applies nice and smoothly. Right. I do love the She Sugar Scrub. That's what I use for an exfoliant all over my body. And yeah, this is my second bottle, so I really do love this exfoliant. And then some people do this. It kind of just depends on the person, I guess. I personally don't. I haven't needed to. But if you are super dry, or you do have dry spots like your elbows, your wrists, your knuckles, I did put a little bit on my knuckles. So any dry spots, the tan will kind of latch onto, and those areas will get a little bit more darker than any other part of your body. So I did put a little bit on my knuckles. But again, you can put them on your elbows, your wrists, anywhere where you have super dry spots. I didn't put any makeup on my face because I am going to put a little bit of self-tanner on, knowing that the self-tanner is going to wash off pretty quickly because I do wash my face every single night. So when you scrub your face, the self-tanner is just going to come off. So yeah, but I still want to have a little bit of a tan. You can buy the mitt for $6, and then the spray tan, I think it's like $30, $35, $40. around there. I'll link it down below. So this is what the mitt looks like. And you want to shake it up really, really good. I love the color that it gives me. Some people don't like it. Some people have said that it makes them look a little orange. But I honestly I feel like I look bronzy, but I could look like an Oompa Loompa and no one's telling me. But I think that I look bronzy. So you just want to make sure you shake it up. And here we go. And then you just apply just like a mousse. And I'm pretty generous with it. You just apply it. Looks like, you know what it looks like. And let me take off my hair ties. And you want to work pretty quickly with this, just because it dries really, 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 really fast. And so just gonna make sure you rub it all the way in. And I try to use circular motions, and then just kind of get in those creases. And of course you are going to look super, super dark. Any excess that I have on it, I'll just kind of run through on the top of my hands. I'll do in between each finger, and make sure you do the side. So just make sure you get all the little spots, and like this crevice right in here, I always forget. And like back in here. So I always start with like one arm, then I do the second arm, then chest area, then my stomach, and then I do the legs last. But you can do it legs first and then up. You can kind of already see a difference between this arm and this arm. When I first got this and before I got any sun, I was super, super pale, and I did 2 coats. So you do it, wait 20 minutes, and then do a second coat, and I came out so bronze. I loved it so much. But because I already have some color already underneath, I'm going to just do one coat this time, because my legs are pretty dark. It's just kind of like my chest area, my stomach area, they're just super, super pale. So I'm just going to do the same thing. And I like to like extend my neck out and like really get in there, people. We're trying to look like we went to Cancun or Jamaica or somewhere super tropical, because honestly I'm turning 25 tomorrow, okay? 25, 5 years from 30. I'm actually really excited about my 30s, but I really thought I would be in Cancun at this time, celebrating my 25th, because that's what I wanted to do, and it didn't happen. Again, shake this baby up, and I'm literally gonna put just a little bit. This doesn't really have much of a scent. I mean, it has a little bit of a scent. Of course, it is self-tanner. Don't forget your ears. But it's not bad. Some people said that they didn't like the smell, but I didn't think it was really that bad. Make sure that you wear loose clothes, just because anything that the tan touches, it kind of will ruin the clothes. So I have like special tan clothes that I use, and it's like an old t-shirt and an old pair of leggings, loose leggings, or like loose sweatpants or something. It has never ruined my clothes, I don't think. Yeah, it did ruin my sheets. I have white sheets, and even though I was like clothed completely, my feet got the sheet dirty. So just keep in mind, you might want to put like a towel down or something. So that's all I do for my poopies, honestly. You can already see a difference. Make sure you get like in here, in the inner, by the side of the nose. And again, the face is going to wash off so quick. Just while I'm home, I like looking like I match. I don't know, but I don't know where I got this gnarly scratch, legit. I don't remember. So I just focus on like one section at a time. That way I don't get overwhelmed. so that is basically my self-tanning routine. Super quick, super easy and simple, like how I like everything else. You can definitely tell a huge difference from when I started this video to now. I literally look like I just stepped off the beach. I love Bondi Sands. This is the first product, self-tanning product that I've ever tried, and it honestly hasn't let me down. Like, no streaks, the smell isn't horrible. I will show you guys tomorrow the finished result, and hopefully I'll have makeup on and I'll be like pretty again and cute. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. Today is actually my birthday. I am 25 years old. I made it, I'm grateful. I did rinse off. I did buy a darker foundation, but you can't even tell because right now in this lighting, I look super, super light in the face and super pale, and that really bothers me. So yeah, and I even bought a darker foundation. So this is my body though. I can show you guys. So this is the tan, and this is the back. My legs, this is what my legs look like. Neat, neat. So yeah, I am a lot more darker, as you can see, which I love. I have that bronzy, real bronzy look. Again, my face is so light compared to my body, and I did my makeup in the bathroom and it didn't even look like that bad. And then I come here right in front of the window and my face is super, super pale. So just bronze your face, get a darker foundation so your body will match. This tan typically lasts about a week, 7 days. Just kind of depends on how you take care of it. You want to make sure that you moisturize when you self-tan or any kind of spray tan. Your tan loves to be moisturized, so just make sure that you stay nice and moisturized, whether that's an oil, a body oil, which I do at night. I'll like lather myself in oil, and then during the day I just use that thick Cetaphil cream. I absolutely love the color that it gives me, and I'm gonna stick with this brand, and yeah, hope for the best. But I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and show you guys the day after. So you can see it still is very dark, and then as the days go on, they just, you know, it just lightens up and you're a bronzy, beautiful goddess, because we all want to be a beautiful bronzy goddess during the summertime. But yeah, I'm gonna go finish getting ready. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-tanning routine, and if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys want to see down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.